Hey, welcome back everybody. Got the bike complete. It turned out to be a pretty nice kit. Well, obviously it's a nice kit. It's made by Tamiya, but it turned out to be a nice build. Went with a metallic red. Actually used the, let's see, acrylic, like $1. It just depends which one you get. I think this one was more like about $2. It was a little too pink, so I added some darker red to it. Sprayed it with the airbrush. Got the finish. Got the flat. It's very flat. That acrylic water-based paint is super flat, and then I go over it with this gloss coat. Which I come to find out, I don't think this stuff is supposed to really be sprayed. I think it's just, this is cut. I already cut this with, I have another bottle right here. Let me show you. It's pretty thick. It's more like, I think you're supposed to brush it on. But anyway, I've been cutting it with some xylene and spraying it through my airbrush. So you get a pretty good finish. Oh man, my seat. I did not get my seat. I'm not attaching the seat. I'm just leaving it loose. But anyway. It turned out pretty good. I'm not gonna get any I'm not gonna get any closer than this. You guys build models, you know how it goes. You know where the flaws are, but it was Tamiya kits go together. The parts are so nice. Went together good. Got it together. I did make my little turn signals orange where they were just clear, so I painted the inside of them orange. Detailed on the engine, all the aluminum and silver on the engine was not, it was just, it was all one. There was no chrome for it, so you have to hand detail that. Try to pick out the brake rotors, get them, look like they're a little worn. But all in all, pretty cool kit. Again, it's the CBR 400F. I don't think this was a domestic motorcycle. I've asked people, they've not seen it. So I guess this probably was just a Japanese bike. It was made in Japan because it's Honda, but what I mean by that is it probably never, don't think it made it to the States. I think this was just a Japanese bike, but nevertheless, it's a naked sport bike, I guess is what you would call it. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm proud of it. It's going to go nicely up on the shelf with the other two bikes I've got. I'll take a picture of that at the end and let you see it sitting there with them. But yeah, not too shabby. Got the chain. It didn't say to paint the chain gold. I think it was kind of like a metallic color. Yeah, it was like more of a metallic, but I like the look of a gold, that gold chain. So anyway, it's got your brake lines, and it has clutch cable, front brake lines. They're really detailed. The smaller they get, they're not quite as detailed. The big one, I think 1/6 size, big 500cc Honda turbo that I have by Tamiya, it was ultra detailed, but I mean it's larger, so you have it's easier to make details on something larger. But anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching the first part of the video through the painting, but didn't give all the details on the build. I need to start documenting more of the actual build, but nevertheless, it's built. And it actually, I made a joke on my first video. I said it's going to look just like this, and I was talking about the box. But I mean, not too far off. And the color, like I said, I was going to use that opposite color instead of red on the seat. I was going to do a black seat with red. So it turned out pretty good. I'm proud of it. Anyway, all right guys, thanks a lot for watching. At the end, I'll add the pictures and the picture of it sitting up there with its new family, the two family members that are already up there. I'll go ahead and rearrange a little and get him up there. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up, like and share, and please subscribe. And thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the community. A previous video I mentioned, share this with your modeling friends, and I had a sob story that I didn't have any modeling friends. Well, turns out you guys, by reaching out in the comments, are like a modeling community, and now I have some people to show this to. So thanks a lot, guys. You have a good one.